festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto.
Keep it steady. Left side needs to go down. Got it. Lower it slowly. Looks good. Let's put it in place.
Passo bem solto na festa do fim de semana.
The paint is looking good. Make sure to get the corner edge. Almost done with this trim. Looks great. Keep sweeping that dust over here. All right, I got this back. Watch your step. There's rebar. Line it up here. Okay, got it. Pressing hard. Keep pushing it up smoothly. Hand me the rods, watch your step. Get a tie on this end here.